Big breaking news coming in from Dharamsala as well. Jodhpur seeing a complete blackout after Jaisalmer. We have Jodhpur, which is reporting a complete blackout. But my colleague Shivani joins me reporting on defense. Shivani, can you confirm to us that an F-16 has also been shot down as JF-17s, which has been confirmed by Pakistan? Well, Shivani, if you can hear my question, we'll try and go back to Shivani. We have a lot happening, and look at the sky. We're reporting from in various areas, and if you look at Srinagar, you look at Jammu, Jaisalmer, you see a lighting up, sky over there. Gaurav Arya, Hamas, does it remind you of those kind of attacks, and is that why we are better off with Israeli systems?
No, absolutely, because I'll just say two things very quickly, Navika. Number one is that Pakistan takes inspiration from Hamas, the swarm drones, etc. And I think we should go the Israeli way, which is what we've been doing. I think that is the language that Pakistan understands. You know, as a youngster, I used to do these court of inquiries, and my seniors will bear with me. I have explained to him in the language he understands, and he signs it as correct. So if you remember.
But may I say something?
Yes, sir.
Hamas was effective. Is this effective? This is hardly Hamas. and the larger issue is the F-16s and the JF-17s are the lead aircraft in their inventory.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely. And Shivani joining me. Shivani, what is the update that you can give us? Are we sure that the F-16 has been shot down, as have two JF-17s?
Navika, as we can confirm to our viewers that we can F-16 of Pakistan, which is said to be the backbone of the entire Pakistan.
Network. Yes, networks are a problem, and yes.
So this is, I think, a very interesting development, if it is true. F-16 is the backbone of Pakistan Air Force. It cannot do without F-16s, primarily because of the air-to-air missile that it carries and the developments that they have done with Turkey. But if F-16 has been down, it's a very bad news for Pakistan.
And for the Americans.
And Americans will be really...
Which is the better news, F-16 down or JF-17 down?
So now if we analyze both of this, the whole thing that I can think about is, by accepting that two JF-17s have been shot down, the only escape route is send so many drones, and in event of so many drones, even if one or two get through, there is some damage to the Indian side. It will be taken as a victory on their side, and then by the time that happens, the US could pressurize and then they could de-escalate. So that is the exit.
We'll have to wait for that, but in Gujarat, let me update our viewers. Bhuj, Nalia, Nakhat Rana, blackout in these cities and villages. BSF has been put on high alert. All resources on front line is what has been done at the moment. An F-16 fired there. Going back to my colleague Pulkit. Pulkit, जैसलमेर में आपको जो नजर आ रहा है आसमान में लाइट्स, उस तरह का जो हमस टाइप का अटैक है, इस तरह का कुछ नजर आ रहा है?
जी बिल्कुल, आपने ठीक कहा। जैसलमेर में ऐसा देखने में लग रहा है कि लाइटें आ रही हैं और उन्हें एकदम मार गिराया जा रहा है। जो बेस है सेना के, उनकी तरफ ये लाइटें बढ़ती हुई नजर आती हैं और उसके बाद में गिरती हुई नजर आ रही हैं। लेकिन अभी कोई बड़ा ब्लास्ट नहीं है, लेकिन जो सूचना आ रही है बॉर्डर से, वो ये भी आ रही है कि पाकिस्तान के दो बड़े बेस हैं, वहां से ये ड्रोन अटैक किए जा रहे हैं, जो लोंगेवाला की तरफ से जैसलमेर की तरफ है। दूसरी सबसे बड़ी बात ये आ रही है कि बीएसएफ के सूत्र ये बता रहे हैं कि लोंगेवाला बॉर्डर पर भी हलचल तेज हुई है। पाकिस्तानी टैंक देखे गए हैं उधर भी। हालांकि अभी ये साफ नहीं है कि पाकिस्तान की मंशा क्या लोंगेवाला की तरफ बढ़ने की है या नहीं, लेकिन सूत्र ये बताते हैं कि वहां की तरफ भी हलचल तेज हुई है। जैसलमेर में अगर पूरे शहर की बात की जाए, किले से लेकर बेस तक चारों तरफ लाइटें नजर आ रही हैं और मुझे लगता है कि 70 से 80 ड्रोन्स वाली लाइटें यहां नजर आई हैं, जिनमें कोई ब्लास्ट की खबर अभी कहीं से भी नहीं है, सिर्फ आसमान में ये खत्म होती हुई नजर आ रही हैं। जी
थैंक यू पुलकित, और आते रहेंगे आपके पास।